viewers, very good morning to everyone. How are you all? Okay, you're doing good. It's so, it seems like you're all fine, and I know you're all doing the great job. You're doing the activities and the craft. So, are you taking your parents' help or you want to do by yourself? So today for a while let's talk about some healthy habits. Do you know what is healthy habits? Okay, let me tell you. See, when you wake up in early morning, what all you will do? Those are all healthy habits. You know, being healthy and hygienic always makes you healthy and happier. So let's go from the morning, like what all you need to do and what you have to do, and if you forget, and what yourself, what else you need to do. So I'll tell you, early morning when you wakes up, I know your parents will be coming and like, get up beta, my child, get up, chinnu munnu, get up. Yes, so these things all happens, and after that you'll go to your washroom, you will have your daily routines, everything. Then you'll be washing your face so that you won't be sleepy afterwards. Then you go, after playing and on having fun, then you will be going for brushing your teeth. So how do you brush your teeth? You'll be having a brush, take some toothpaste, and you will be like cleaning over your teeth. So you all know about the cavity and the gum infections, what all happens if you won't do properly. So these things, I know you're all growing up, growing rock stars. So you need to do these all things by yourself. I hope you're all doing. Okay, still if somebody is taking parents' help, it's okay, no problem, you can learn afterwards. So brushing your teeth, then you have your bath. Okay, these are all healthy habits. Making yourself clean, then afterwards you will dress up yourself, and you know, dressing, after wearing you might be having the buttons and everything, so please try to like do it. If you're unable to do also, please try it once. Okay, so parents at home right now, you can give these works also for them, because these are all fine motor skills what they need to grow. So you can give a shirt, so that like ask them to button up. So these things will help you all. So whenever you are busy and your child is coming up and making you to like help him and do these things and all, so better you give them these activities at home, so they will try to do these all things. I hope this will work out. And even like girls, if they have hairs, long hair or bob type, so ask them to like comb over, so they will try to like these things. These are really good for them to motivate themselves and come up and grow faster. So children, I hope you all do this and listen to your parents if they are giving you these activities. And afterwards what all you will have your breakfast, right? After once you dress up yourself, and you're like, if your school starts or if it doesn't also, you need to have your breakfast, right? So whatever your parents are giving you, please eat that one, have it, because those are really healthy and tasty food. I know sometimes it won't taste but still you need to have, it's really healthy. And then if possible, like washing stations also, parents, you can give these activities, like give them a tub and give some small type of vessels like plastic ones which won't broke even though it fell on the floor. Then ask them to like wash it. These are like washing stations. Please, you can give this type of activities and all. So now for today's activity, what I am going to do is, we'll go with a rhyme, then we'll revise the words and the numbers from 1 to 20. Then we have a counting activity, fingertip by painting. Then we'll go with a rhyme, we'll go with the story, Fox and the Grapes, and painting flower, and then last we'll end up with rhyme. So let's go with a short rhyme.